As you land on this floor, you see, you can realize clearly that as you land here, someone, if we were to forget completely, someone can come in and go to the lower level without knocking the door. So what we are going to do is, because this is the terrace and someone can put a ladder on the outside and walk into this space without telling you, and you're sleeping and they ask you, bro, that Denny of mine, when are you paying? So to avoid all that, we have decided we'll put a nice, beautiful CNC cut metallic rail here, and it flows from ground to ceiling, and we'll do it in such a way that you don't even see the supporting bars or the holding bars. Then we put a nice, beautiful CNC door here, and then we also put another wall on this side and secure all the windows, and put a grill door here and put a grill door on the other side and secure all the windows, so that by the time someone comes on this side, they must have a key to the tanks, they must have a key to here, and they must have a key to go down the staircase. So once locked, you will never access. But we are doing it in such a way that when you are also here, it is not just grills. It will be something done and thought in a creative manner, so that it is just a happy space. And those are things sometimes people forget. And I've also realized that when you are doing a project and the client gives different subcontractors this kind of jobs, then realize that something like this, most of the people will even subcontract a local welder. And times some of them, they don't understand the end product, or they don't understand what is supposed to be achieved. So they will do it quickly in their best interest, or in the best way they understand, and go. By the time we are done with all the interiors, something looks offside. So in this particular project, I think my client understood the assignment, and he decided that all the details for the interior, be it metallic, be it aluminium, be it glass, be it lighting, we had taken care of each and everything, so that we avoid the issue of so and so is the one responsible for that, is responsible for that. So we are taking care of all that, so that all the responsibility goes back to Interiors. It was not done properly, it is you. It was done well, it is you. So that we harmonize the entire house. If they are good, they are good. If they are not good, they are not good. But that makes even our work easy in terms of supply, in terms of ordering, and in terms of standardization. Let's go. This also can work as a Adobe area nicely. We can also hang clothes here, we can do things here, but in this case, I'm not so sure what the client will decide. But without forgetting, the terrace flows from this side and that side. It has been separated with this block. This block is the one that now brings light into the lounge. So this will be the top part, and this will be glass. And as usual, we are going to put the 32mm bulletproof glass here. This bulletproof is done in such a way that you can actually walk on it and resistant to weather. We have our brothers who help us actualize that. Stay tuned to see that. The best side of the terrace. This side, what we are planning to do is do a nice beautiful railing over it. Put some nice beautiful seat tiles here and probably turf grass, and put planters around the house, so that we can have a fire pit around here. Someone can sit here and have a fire pit, and then as you cross to the other side, we'll come and build up a nice counter here. This counter serves as now the bar area. So this becomes the barbecue center and the bar area, and all things are done here. Then you serve your guests from there, and you take to them nyama choma to the other side. You come and prepare your coffee from here, then you take it to the other side. You want to pick a soda from the fridge, come and pick from here. and take to your guest. Just imagine sitting in the space and the breeze is as playful as this, blowing gently into your ears and your eyes. Ah, guys, I can't wait, even myself, to see the final product product of this project. So guys, that is it for the Shanzo project. Myself, I can't wait to see the end product. As usual, guys, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notifications of new projects. We are doing small projects each and every week. We are posting them. Don't let it pass you. At kthinteriorz, where style meets elegance.